Hi guys, welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. I'm Dan, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable dual apps on Redmi phones. So here I have a Redmi Note 15 5G. Is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And if you want to double apps like WhatsApp or Facebook and add a second account, you can do it. So for that, just go to settings and here swipe and go to apps. And here we have dual apps. Now, here we have WhatsApp and Facebook. To create a dual app, tap on it and here just enable dual apps. And now let's read. Creating dual apps require working with Google services. Okay, tap turn on. And it's created successfully, and now you can do it also for Facebook, and we have also here other apps that supports dual apps. Now if I exit, as you can see, now here I have the first WhatsApp account and this is the second one, and here you can add your second number and you will have two WhatsApp accounts, and you can do it also for Facebook. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you. Also, if you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel, and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.